Welcome to the Stock Genius channel. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Now let's dive into today's. Have you ever been curious about the stocks that billionaires put their money in? Do you find yourself wishing for a chance to take a glimpse of their investment portfolios? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we will journey together through the financial realms of the world's wealthiest investors. We'll be unveiling the top stock picks that these billionaires can't seem to get enough of. Now, it's important to remember, simply copying the investment strategies of billionaires won't necessarily lead you to the path of riches. However, there's a certain charm in understanding why they choose these particular stocks. These financial giants have amassed their wealth through insightful investments, utilizing their abundant resources and insider connections to gain unparalleled insights. By analyzing the stocks they're pouring their money into, we can glean enlightening lessons for retail investors like us. Let's not forget, these billionaires have been right more often than wrong, but they're not infallible. Even they make mistakes. So, are you ready to uncover the investment secrets these financial maestros? Let's delve deep and discover the top stock picks of some of the world's wealthiest investors. Warren Buffett, the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, is a titan in the world of investing. His name is synonymous with success, but it's not just about the money he's made. It's about the wisdom he's imparted and his unique approach to investing. Buffett's strategy is not about making numerous decisions. Instead, he focuses on making good ones. In Berkshire Hathaway's 2022 annual report, he confessed that most of his capital allocation decisions have been, in his own words, no better than so-so. Yet the company's satisfactory results have been the product of about a dozen truly good decisions. This highlights a crucial aspect of Buffett's investment philosophy: quality over quantity. It's not about how many investments you make, but rather how many of those investments are truly valuable. And this concept isn't exclusive to billionaires. It holds true for every investor, irrespective of the size of their portfolio. Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has seen compound annual growth of almost 20% since 1965, outperforming the S&P 500, which delivered compound annual growth of not quite 10% over the same span. This success has been driven not by a flurry of decisions, but by a few well-thought-out strategic ones. However, it's essential to remember that even Buffett is fallible. The man who has amassed a multi-billion-dollar personal fortune has been right more often than he's been wrong, but he's been wrong nonetheless. This serves as a humble reminder that every investor, regardless of their status or experience, is prone to mistakes. The key to successful investing, as per Buffett's wisdom, lies in learning from these mistakes, focusing on making fewer but better decisions, and understanding that being right more often than being wrong can lead to satisfactory results in the long run. As Buffett has shown, even billionaires aren't always right, but they're right more often than they're wrong. Now, let's look at some of the top stock picks of billionaires. It's always fascinating to see where the ultra-rich are investing their money. After all, these are the individuals who've made their fortunes by making smart, calculated investment decisions. Our first billionaire stock pick takes us to the world of digital media and software, with Adobe. Philippe Lafonte, the founder of Coatue Management, a hedge fund with $47.9 billion in assets under management, has been bullish on Adobe. With a stake valued at $628 million, Adobe represents 3.2% of Coatue's portfolio. Lafonte, who boasts an estimated net worth of $6.1 billion, increased his position in Adobe by almost 24% in the third quarter. It's worth noting that Adobe's stock has surged by more than a quarter since the end of the second quarter, significantly outpacing the broader market's less than 3% gain. Adobe has been a consistent performer over the years, offering a suite of software products that have become industry standards in the creative sector. From Photoshop to Illustrator, the company's products are synonymous with digital design. And with the rising demand for digital content, Adobe is well positioned to benefit. Next on our list is Amazon, the global e-commerce giant. Spearheading this investment is none other than the Oracle of Omaha himself, Warren Buffett. Berkshire Hathaway, the multinational conglomerate holding company headed by Buffett, holds a stake in Amazon worth over $1 billion. This represents just under 1% of Berkshire's total portfolio. Despite the relatively small percentage, this is a clear vote of confidence in Amazon's long-term prospects. Buffett, renowned for his value investing philosophy, is known for his preference for companies with strong competitive advantages, or economic moats, as he likes to call them. And Amazon, with its massive global reach, innovative technology, and customer-centric approach, certainly fits the bill. Moving on, we have the social media giant, Facebook, now known as Meta Platforms. This is a top pick for Chase Coleman, the billionaire hedge fund manager of Tiger Global Management. With a stake value of $720 million, Facebook represents about 2.4% of Tiger Global's portfolio. Coleman, known for his tech-savvy investment approach, has been a long-time believer in the potential of technology companies. And Facebook, with its vast user base and expanding portfolio of services, is a prime example of this. The company's recent rebranding to Meta Platforms and its ambitious plans for developing the metaverse further underline its commitment to innovation and growth. Our fourth billionaire stock pick is Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Leading the charge on this investment is Larry Robbins, the billionaire hedge fund manager of Glenview Capital Management. Robbins has a stake in Alphabet valued at $570 million, representing about 4.5% of Glenview's portfolio. Alphabet has been a consistent performer over the years, boasting a diverse portfolio of businesses that include search, advertising, cloud computing, and more. Robbins, known for his preference for companies with strong growth prospects, is betting on Alphabet's continued dominance in the digital space. Lastly, we have Tesla, the electric vehicle and clean energy company. This is a top pick for Cathie Wood, the billionaire founder of RK Invest. With a stake valued at over $1 billion, Tesla represents a significant portion of RK's portfolio. Wood, a vocal proponent of disruptive innovation, has been a longtime supporter of Tesla and its CEO, Elon Musk. She believes in Tesla's vision for a sustainable future and the company's ability to lead the charge in the electric vehicle revolution. These stocks represent a snapshot of where some billionaires are putting their money. But remember, investing is a complex process that requires careful research and consideration. It's crucial to understand that while these billionaires have made their fortunes through savvy investing, they also have access to resources and information that may not be available to the average investor. So before you rush to follow in their footsteps, make sure to do your homework. Understand the companies you're investing in, their business models, and their growth prospects. And most importantly, always invest according to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, the stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool for building wealth over the long term. And while it might be tempting to follow the investment moves of billionaires, the most successful investors are those who stay informed, make thoughtful decisions, and invest for the long haul. So what can we learn from these billionaires' top stock picks? The billionaires' stock picks, such as Adobe, reveal their long-term vision, strategic acumen, and deep comprehension of market trends. It's not about making quick, short-term gains, but investing is about identifying companies with robust fundamentals, potential for growth, and sound strategies. Companies like Warren Buffett remind us that even the best can make so-so decisions. But a few truly good decisions can yield satisfactory results. Diversification is significant, exemplified by their selection of variety of companies within the tech and communication sectors, each possessing its unique strengths and opportunities. This strategy helps to spread risk and maximize potential returns. However, it's important to remember, while we can learn from their choices, they should not form the sole basis of our investment decisions. Remember, successful investing isn't about replicating someone else's moves. Instead, it's about making informed decisions that correspond with your own financial goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. We appreciate your support.